I'm out in my favorite place to shoot, of course, Long Island City, like I always do. And that's because, of course, I wanted to show you guys this guy here. This is my my brand new DJI Mavic Air. So what I wanted to do is open it up, fly it around a little bit, and tell you guys some of my thoughts and opinions on it. Okay, so first off, sorry about the bad audio. The microphone is facing the other way and I can't flip it, so unfortunately you're just gonna have to bear with me. But what I did pick up, this is the DJI Mavic Air. I picked it up in Arctic White. I actually picked up the Fly More package, so it actually comes with a lot more bonus items than the default one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open those up and show you guys what's in here. All right, cool. So here is the actual drone itself. This thing is tremendously small, but this is the actual drone itself. You can see in comparisons to my iPhone X, this thing is tiny. It's really awesome. So there's the actual drone itself. To actually open it up, you want to flip out the front propellers like so. Do not break it. Flip these back ones out, and bam, you are ready to fly. So I think that actually looks pretty awesome. But I'm just gonna go ahead and fold this back up and put it away for now. Okay, so this is the DJI Mavic Air controller. So unlike the DJI Mavic, the original DJI Mavic, this one doesn't have the thumb screws already built in. It looks like a little bit of a hybrid between the DJI Spark remote controller, pretty much because it doesn't have a display anymore. I don't exactly miss the display because I never really used it on the original DJI Mavic, but I still think it was a pretty cool addition. In order to get your thumb screws, they kind of sit here at the bottom of the unit, and you can then screw them in. It actually comes with extra screws, or extra thumb screws, and I can see why they included extra thumb screws, because people are definitely gonna lose this thing. And the way this goes is you would simply just stick this in here, like so, and voila, you have yourself a DJI remote controller. Okay, so in the rest of the Fly More package, what you're gonna have is, this is one of those multi battery chargers, so it kind of sits like that. It also comes with extra batteries, so you would take the battery like this, and you would just, it connects somehow. I do it wrong every time. Yeah, like this. Wait, or is it like this? Okay, so somehow these connect like this. I'm not gonna continue to struggle on this video, but. And then you actually have the charger itself, which connects to the Mavic battery pack. And then, as an addition for myself, I picked up these guys here. This is the Polar Pro ND filters. And to be honest with you, it's like the sun is going down, so I probably don't need these, so I'm not actually gonna use them. But these are some really good ND filters for DJI Mavic Air. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing set up, and I'm gonna get it in the air. Very important, guys. Always use this app. This is called Air Map. It's pretty cool. It gives you advisories. If you can or cannot fly, it'll let you know. So right now there's no advisories. I am I'm good to go. Alright, so let's have to run through a bunch of the activation process, but as you can see, there's like, it seems like DJI is doing a real good job at like showing people what the things do now. Fortunately enough, I'm an experienced and certified pilot, so I don't really need to go through these. But it's cool that it kind of runs you through things. It shows you, you have like a little GPS map here. You have your live view map. I'm going to switch this over to video mode. Wait, there we go. And then we're going to get this baby up in the air. Recording? Is it recording? I think it is. I wanted to stop flying, and I stopped flying because, as you can see, it's gotten dark. And then also, you're not, by law, well, Part 107 stuff, but you're not supposed to fly when it gets too dark. But There's a few things I did want to mention about this. Will it focus? Will it focus? So big improvements. First off, flying it is awesome. Big improvements to the gimbal. So you now have a gimbal cover here that uncovers the camera gimbal. Obviously, it's also got an improved camera, but the fact that they also improved the gimbal cover, because I broke my last drone, not because I crashed it, my regular Mavic, I broke it because the gimbal cover wasn't protecting the drone when I put it away. So that's really important. That's one thing that they did fix. Another thing I didn't show off that I wanted to show off is sort of how the battery actually comes out. So basically, to remove the battery, you just slide these two on the side down, and then you have yourself a batteryless drone. And I think that actually is a really nice, I mean, on the top or the bottom, it doesn't really matter, but I just wanted to show you guys that. Also, there's a number of sensors that they added to this thing. So there's 2 sensors here in the front, there's 2 sensors here on the bottom, and then now there's 2 sensors here in the back. So this gives you the ability to, it's not complete stereoscopic because it's not on the sides and some on the top, but it does give you the ability to fly your drone and have better obstacle avoidance. That's one thing they also did in this one. They improved the obstacle avoidance. As far as stability goes and just overall flyability, it definitely feels a lot more stable than the original generation. I used to feel really uneasy about flying that thing continuously because I'd always get like high air warnings and different things like that. But with this one, I didn't really feel insecure about flying. You can totally stick it in your pocket. So overall, I think it's pretty cool. I think I'm done. I'm gonna hop on my motorbike. So I took my motorbike here. I'm gonna go home. It's getting kind of cold, and I'm gonna do an in-depth review probably sometime in the near future. But for now, it's the Mavic Air.